Hello everybody, I am Muskan from Krishi Jagran and today we are here at the Millennial Farmers of India Awards 2024 organized by Krishi Jagran, co-hosted by ICAR and sponsored by Mahindra Tractors. So today we are present at the prestigious logo launch of the company RQO, and today we also have the honor to be present here with the Vice President of the company himself. So let's go over to him and ask him few questions. Hello sir.
Hi, good evening.
So sir, my first question is, as you know that every picture tells a story, so does every logo. So what was the thought process behind this logo of RQO?
RQO, it is an Indian multinational. RQO Crop Solutions Private Limited is the full name of the company. RQO, ARC means safety, security, preservation. Vivo means life or alive. That is the reason, combined meaning is arc of life. Means we are responsible for protecting the crops through innovative and sustainable crop solutions. And we have a tagline, responsibly rooted, means we are responsible for protecting the environment and crops through sustainable and eco-friendly products for the betterment of the farmers.
So sir, can you please also let our audience know a little bit about the company's target for the coming years and how is it supposed to profit the farmers also?
Yes. RQO basically, the parent company of the RQO is Tagros. Tagros is the Indian multinational, and globally we are operating in 90 countries. We have 4 manufacturing plants, and in India through RQO we will be launching 75 products this year. And already Tagros is well known globally, and last 33 years we are serving the global farmers through our innovative solutions, and the international quality, the product, why can't we give it to the Indian farmers? With that motto, we are launching the B2C, that is the brand business of Tagros in the name of RQO this year in India. And in the first phase we are operating in 7 states, starts from Uttar Pradesh, then Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And 2026 onwards, in second phase, another will be operating in another 6 states. Those states are Tamil Nadu, then Chhattisgarh, then Punjab, Haryana and West Bengal. And these 13 states, in 2 phases we are going to operate in India in first phase. And going forward, our aim is to take the RQO to the global level. As our B2B business, we wanted to operate in various countries globally.
So sir, can you also please give us a little bit idea about what products your consumers or your target audiences can actually expect from you guys?
Yeah. That is the reason, there are 5 different categories of the product we are going to launch, like insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, micronutrients and PGRs, plant growth regulators. And all the 5 segments we are going to participate this year. And that will give the complete solution to the farmers. That is the reason, we have put the company's name as RQO Crop Solutions. We are not only concentrating on the crop protection, at the same time we are going to participate in crop solutions. All the 5 segments we are going to participate through 75 products. And we will be going to concentrate more than 10 crops, all the important crops of the country. And we are going to participate in each and every crops will be there in all the 5 segments. Insecticide, fungicide, herbicide, PGR and micronutrient segments.
Okay sir, thank you so much for being present here with us. We really do hope that company reaches such great heights in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.